Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to truck in College Football 27. It's actually a pretty simple move to perform and it can help you fight through defenders for a few extra yards. To use the truck move, all you need to do is flick the right stick upward while you're carrying the ball. This works best when you're running directly toward a defender rather than trying to use it from an angle. As you're moving down the field and you see a defender lining up in front of you, keep sprinting if needed, then push the right stick up. Your player will lower their shoulder and attempt to power through the tackle instead of trying to avoid it. The truck move is most effective in one-on-one situations where the defender is directly in your path. If the angle isn't right or the defender isn't lined up properly, the animation may not trigger consistently or it may not be as effective. You can also experiment with holding LT or RT depending on the situation, but the main input for trucking is simply pushing the right stick upward. Keep in mind, this isn't a move you'll want to spam. Defenders can still stop you, especially if they have good positioning or if multiple defenders are closing in at the same time. Instead, think of trucking as a last second option when you know you probably can't juke, spin or slide and you're just trying to pick up those extra couple of yards before going down. So if the truck move doesn't seem to work every time, don't worry, that's completely normal. It depends on your angle, your timing and how the defender approaches you. When everything lines up correctly though, it can be a great way to power through contact and extend the play. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.